Design to me means you really let the beauty you love be what you do. And in that process of searching for beauty, you arrive at what I think is design.
Well, Seth and I met in architecture school. We met wearing the same gray pants.
It started as a friendship, which evolved into a more intimate idea around what we thought design should be.
The most fascinating thing about scrap lights is that for 7 years now, we're still prototyping them and we're still evolving them, and it's been an ongoing, constant effort that's still an adventure to this day.
Even now, I still think we struggle to find the exact wording because it is pretty wide on what we do since our background was architecture. That's kind of our first love, and then we kind of transitioned into doing more product design, product development. But in the end, I think we're just trying to create our own world. The garage was an amazing opportunity for Graypants, and it was an amazing opportunity for John and I as designers to really come full circle to where we started and where our friendship started.
At the end of the day, I think it's kind of a celebration of all those little everyday things that mean a lot to people. You kind of celebrate those memories through all the little interactions you have with this place.
It was just so beautiful. We wanted to highlight everything around it. And then within that, we wanted the building to act as an object within the landscape so that the sun lights it during the day, then at night it becomes a lantern glowing in the landscape. The furniture informs the architecture informs the furniture, the lighting informs the architecture, and the architecture informs the lighting. It's this constant conversation that makes us better at each specific thing that we're doing. And we feel the more that we broaden our horizons in that, the better designers we are.
Every time you do a curious project like that, you're exploring and you're figuring out new things and you're kind of honing your skills with new materials. And I don't think there's an end point in sight. I think you just keep trying ideas and keep evolving them.
If I couldn't tell a story about something that Graypants was designing, I don't feel like I would be doing a good job. I want more. I just want more than the object. I wanted to have a story. I want to have a deeper meaning. And through storytelling, I think you get really amazing design. And to us, the garage was all about storytelling. Every single piece we could tell a story about.